Greetings of love and abundance and joy and gratitude. Thank you for being with me in this now moment. I'm Wendy, sharing my infinite language of light. For all of Source, everything in creation speaks its own beautiful language of light, its own unique song of Source, and the beautiful symphony of all of creation. Thank you for sharing this now moment with me from the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains here in central Alabama. I wanted to share this gorgeous moment as these ornamental pear trees are in full bloom. It's been really cold and raining and blustery, and yet everything's bursting now as spring approaches here in the northern hemisphere. And I can smell the air is just filled with the scent of these blossoms. And I wanted to take this opportunity to share this gorgeous white energy. It feels like cotton balls and snowballs. This purity and the gentleness that we associate with white, the crystalline light. The prism that contains all colors. And it is in this now moment that is a joy inside of me to connect with all of you in this now moment in this way. And to create this beautiful trinary connection, this trilogy. As you and I and nature share and create this now moment, creating a third thing, a third energy because of your observance. Your focus, your attention. It is in this frequency of gratitude that once again we experience our own inner light, our own majesty, our own uniqueness, our own richness. The possibilities within us. So I love sharing this landscape with all of you. For it is also a reminder that you are creating this with me in this now together. We co-create. As we together breathe in the majesty of this moment, as we hear and engage with the nature around us, we once again discover more and more of our own inner nature. And as we discover more and more of our inner nature, we discover more and more of outer nature. That which we call outer yet is literally part of all that is. I was just getting ready to plant some seeds and was reminded once again how we are all planting new seeds, billions and billions and billions of times per moment by moment. As if we have the ability to plant something new literally with every breath. That is what these messages are guiding us all toward, guiding us within, reminding us that the answers lie within. For we all are a part of all that is. Yaha kinimise savashe kayanayeha kanea ihiki kingya kiamarise tavashani. Move into the silence of your knowing. Become more aware of your eternal existence. Nalivia nishamakaya tashimi mayakani. Everything is now. In the stillness and the quiet. You will find more expansion than you have ever known, ever realized, ever considered. You are a tree of many blooms, of infinite and eternal blossoms and possibilities. There is only here and now, and how are you guided to share your here, your now? Alahina keshe tayanata kashiana. I love you. We are love. Nikya. Mahala. The light within you illuminates the light within me, and the light within me illuminates the light within you, and together, we create brighter the light of all that is, illuminating the light of all that is within us.